Hello my friends, welcome to Grace in My Space. I am Sarah and I'm really excited about today's video, as I always am about all my videos, because I hope that they bring value and a little bit of brainstorming creativity to you of what you can do in your own spaces based on what I'm doing in mine. So today we are talking about a fresh start. Now, everybody talks about a fresh start in the new year. It's just like, you know, a cultural thing, right? I don't necessarily make New Year's resolutions. I kind of feel like it's just setting myself up for failure. But what I do is set yearly goals. I just feel like they're more attainable and less stressful if I have kind of long-term plans that I'm working towards slowly, rather than, you know, I gotta eat nothing but fruits and vegetables for the next year. It's not gonna work. So one of my goals this year is just to maintain a more regular deep cleaning schedule. In the past, I've kind of like let some areas of the house go until all of a sudden I'm like, oh my gosh, I am living in filth. But this year, I want to make it a quarterly habit of really deep cleaning and also simplifying some of my decor because it can go over the top pretty quickly. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best ways that I have found to do some of those deep cleaning tasks that are really cumbersome and tiring and you just don't ever want to do them. But I'm going to make it easier on you. If you are undecorating for Christmas, I love that time of year. Undecorating for Christmas is like my favorite. Taking all of the Christmas down and having such an open, airy feeling of just like a blank slate for your home. Ugh. It makes my heart happy. If you're in that stage right now, I will pop a video up here for you of some great winter decorations ideas that I did last year that was a big hit and I think that a lot of people found valuable. And so if you haven't seen it already, I hope that you'll find that valuable as well. And I want you to drop it in the comments if you would like to see what I do for winter decor this year. Let me know if there's anything specific that you would like help with, and I'll try and incorporate that into videos to come. But for now, let's get to today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Branch Basics, and I have been using their products for a number of years now. I thought I'd show you my order. Now, if you're not familiar with Branch Basics, it is a non-toxic cleaning product, several products in their line. The main one is a concentrate, and I want to show you a little bit more about it. Now, this is the concentrate. So when you buy store-bought cleaners, the majority of the product is actually just water mixed in with the cleaner. So this concentrate is very powerful. It's concentrated, as the name suggests. So from this one bottle, it will make, I have a cheat sheet, 4 foaming hand washes, 3, 3, and 3. So 9 of this size bottle, and 64 loads of laundry from this. So imagine that there's 9 of these bottles, 4 of these bottles, 1 of these, which equals 64 loads of laundry. That's a lot of loads. And it's all because of this bottle. So if you go look under your kitchen sink or under your bathroom cupboards, you can just take everything out of there and replace it with this. These bottles all come as part of a starter kit. They are reusable, but they also have more premium bottles that are glass and labeled as a part of a different starter kit. I'll link everything for you in the description, but it comes also with a glass soap jar, which I really like for the kitchen. And then it comes with a pourable laundry. And also, the products that I use separately from the concentrate include the Oxygen Boost, which also comes in a smaller container, which is perfect for cleaning, laundry, all kinds of cleaning. And then also the dishwasher tabs, little scrub, and some dryer balls. Now each container tells you how much to put in. It's very simple. For your streak-free window and glass cleaning, you fill the bottle with water and you put a drop of the concentrate, and that's all it takes. Then we've got our all-purpose and our bathroom cleaner. The all-purpose cleaner, you can see you put your water all the way up to the water line and then you add this much soap. That's all it takes. For your bathroom cleaner, the water line is here and your soap is a little bit higher. Bathroom cleaner, a little bit more high-powered. Everything comes out of this one bottle. It is plant-based, non-toxic, and it works wonderfully. Now let's do some cleaning.
7, 8.
Everything's gotta come out. It's always amazing to me how dirty a fridge can get for seemingly no reason, in my opinion. So I always take out everything that's in the fridge and then I start wiping down all of the shelves, all the insides of the drawers. If they can be removed, I will take them out and wash them in the sink. Otherwise, I'm able to just spray right in there and then wipe it all down. I'll always remember the day that I realized that the cleaning products that I was using from the store had bleach and harmful chemicals, and I was spraying it in my fridge around the food that I would serve my kids. And it was like a light bulb moment for me to really dive deep into figuring out a non-toxic cleaner that I could use that would be safe, especially in the fridge, around food that our family is eating. And I'm really happy with how Branch Basics has made that possible. And I don't feel scared or nervous at all about using it in spaces like this. I also love that it serves as a cleaner for literally everything. So I don't even need a separate stainless steel cleaner. One regular part of cleaning that I do is taking my plants from wherever they've been, popping them in the sink and giving them a really good soak. And usually what I'm left with is this kind of situation. So while I have the plant removed, I take the opportunity to disinfect this whole area, because not only is it healthy for yourself, but it's also healthy for the plant to keep really clean areas where it's at so it doesn't get any disease. Just like with the fridge situation, I changed to Branch Basics dishwasher tabs as well, because they're going directly on the plates and cups that we use for eating. Now let's head into the bathroom. So obviously, bathroom cleaning is not a once a quarter cleaning. I do it twice a week or more, just depending on my lovely family. And all it takes is the bathroom cleaner from Branch Basics, and I can use it on everything. I have a lot of different finishes in my bathrooms, everything from satin gold to polished nickel to satin nickel. And I also have quartz, porcelain, and of course toilets and tile. And all of these things can be cleaned with one product, which is so much easier than having to pull out a million different cleaning products for one space. Now let's get into some of those deeper cleaning issues. Grout, flooring, baseboards. These are things that can kind of go a little bit left behind from your daily routines. So I like to add in some deep cleaning, especially of areas like this where we are standing. This is right in front of a mirror, and so we stand here every day and it gets especially dirty. For those areas, I spritz the floor with my Branch Basics, and then I use my steam mop to really polish it up. And it ends up turning out so nice, and I don't even have to use a separate floor cleaner. I have some special additions like the steam mop and the rags that I've been using that I combine with Branch Basics for all of my cleaning, and I'll link everything in the description because I really like those extra oomph products to help me get a really clean and crisp bathroom. One task that I tackle every quarter or so is cleaning my white walls. If you have white walls, you know the joy of having a bright home, having a neutral palette that is really easy to decorate around, and you also know the sorrow of fingerprints. So, I'm gonna use my Branch Basic Oxygen Boost, make up a little mixture, and watch how easily it works. Now, it might be a little hard to see on the camera, but this wall is disgusting. I mean, it's really gross. And there's a lot of different ways that you can clean walls, but a lot of the cleaning products actually will end up taking your paint off, or it will end up taking the sheen off, which is obviously not something, like, you don't want to look and then there's like sheen removed from circle spots where you've wiped the walls. And so that's what I really love about this product, is that it just takes off the fingerprints without affecting your paint. Why can't my kids just use the handrail? So I just really quickly remove the fingerprints, and then I'll come back with clean water, no cleaner, and just rinse it down. Look at, this is almost shameful. I mean, kids, they just drag their hands right down that stairwell. What even is this? Is this paint? Come on, guys. Would you look at the difference? I mean, it's not perfect, but oh my goodness, it's so much better. Now, eventually I would love to do something on this stairwell to really make it kind of more of a statement, but also like prevent this from happening. I don't know, maybe a darker paint color just to mask it. Maybe something like a wall treatment where it wouldn't be as easy to like drag their hands down the wall. Maybe the bumps would prevent them from touching it. I mean, I'm grasping at straws. If you've come up with a solution for fingerprints and stairwells, let me know in the comments. One thing that I have stopped using cleaners for and only use these rags for is windows. So this is a window cleaning cloth, and then you use a polishing cloth after, and it is really easy to do. It's like kind of like a wax on, wax off situation, except there's no wax, it's just water. And the reason that I switched to this method is because, number one, it works great, but number two, window cleaning became my kids' task, and using spray on a window with children was ending in catastrophe. It was just going everywhere. So I switched to this method when I found this product, and it's been my favorite way to wash windows since I did that. It's so easy. It leaves streak free. All the fingerprints get smudged off with the wiping and with the little ridges in this rag, and it works fantastic. We have a lot of windows in our house, and they are all very big. So this makes it a lot easier to cut down the step of spraying on a cleaner. And at the end of it, my shoulder muscles get a workout. Just make sure and clean the sills at the same time, and it's a 2-for-1. I got this little jewel here to shoot rainbows through my room when the sun hits it, and we haven't seen sun in weeks. Probably close to a month. It's just been, it looks like night all the time. So I'm sorry about the lighting in this video, but I live in Michigan. Now the next thing that you should do on a regular basis is clean your washer. I have a bowl of water mixed with the concentrate, and you should be cleaning off your seal and the trap, as well as like your detergent area, things like that. The seals of front loaders especially can be really disgusting and grimy in here. Ugh, it really is. You can push down this entire seal and get in here to get out any debris, any remnants left over from the laundry, and then just to wipe it down. One thing that I should do much more often than I do is washing pillow covers and also slip-covered sofas, which this one is. And so that is definitely something that I'm adding to my list. It's honestly not the most fun because it's just kind of like a wrestling match to get these on and off, but it does make a big difference when it's all fresh and clean. Oh, so many feathers. Now to do my sofa cover, I'm gonna pop some Oxygen Boost just right into the drum. Then I'm gonna put, this cover is so dirty. Put this right in there. Put a little cap full of detergent in. And off she goes. Here comes the fun part, reassembling everything. I find that if I put the covers back on when they're still slightly damp, that it helps keep out any wrinkles. But first you have to find the beginning, I guess. I feel like this is some kind of trickery. Now we're getting somewhere. Everything you've seen me clean today, I have cleaned with Branch Basics. One product for literally everything. So if you want to give it a try, I highly recommend using one of their starter kits, which gets you everything that you need. You can use code GRACEINMYSPACE for 15% off any of their starter kits. Okay. Whew. Looks like we got a little bit of a poultry massacre in here. Thanks so much for watching today's video on a fresh start. What are you wanting to do for your fresh start this year? Maybe it's a goal, maybe it's a resolution, maybe it's just something that you want to accomplish today. Just today. Today is all that matters sometimes. Drop it in the comments and let's cheer each other on. A huge thank you to today's video sponsor, Branch Basics, for helping us learn how to do some of these deep cleaning and daily cleaning methods without toxins. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next week.